Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. Today we'll be making this easy cherry cake the Balkan style. So we're going to be needing 350 to 400 grams of sour cherry compote, just like this one. But if you have the fresh ones, that's perfectly fine. You just need to remove their pits beforehand. Then in the big bowl, separate the whites and the yolks. Beat the egg whites and sugar until foamy. Then mix in the egg yolks. Add the rest of the ingredients and gently whisk as you can see in this video. Line your baking dish with parchment paper and transfer the batter. Then add all the cherries on top. Lightly press down some of the cherries. Bake in preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then reduce to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for another 35 minutes, or if you see that the top is getting brown. You can also do a toothpick test. Let it cool down for a few minutes. Now carefully slice them into squares and dust generously with powdered sugar. You can now enjoy this very simple and tasty cherry cake. Have you tried making cherry cake before? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Ciao!